Hello, I'm Kotar. In this video I'm going to show you how to transplant blueberry plants. So here we have our 2-year-old seedling of blueberry. I don't know variety, but I don't need to know because we are planting just for ourselves and we don't care. So this is our seedling. So this is our planting mix or soil. So soil should be low in pH, like 4 and between 5. Plant should have at least 40 centimeters between plants, and now I'm going to show you how to transplant them. So first we're going to make a hole as big as our pot. So like this. Then we're going to push it out. So here you can see all of these roots. Now we're going to transplant it so it's looking nice and symmetrical. So now we're going to cover it. And voila, this is how to transplant blueberry plant. So now I'm going to do all of this and 5 of those, and in a year or two they should look like these plants, these two, and a year later they should look like this or this plant, and a few years later they should probably look like this one or that one. So have a nice day, thanks for watching, and eat a lot of blueberries.